First of all, I have to say hello, September. Yes, hello, September. We are in the month of September already. You mean summer is actually over? Really? Oh my God. In a few months, we are going to be, what is it, Christmas? Is that what it is? Oh my God. Anywho, let's get into this video. Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for coming in for another video. Thank you for watching. I always appreciate you guys clicking on my videos, and of course I am always happy to bring you guys videos every single week. I have not done a video since I am rocking my short hairdo. What do you guys think? You would have seen some pictures on TikTok or maybe Instagram. Not maybe, but the pictures are on Instagram, and I'm really loving this short hairdo, and I think this hairstyle really suits my face. Absolutely love it. Very, very simple makeup today. So we are going to be talking about some things that I have used over the summer, beauty and skincare things. I still cannot believe how fast summer has gone by, and I have to stop thinking about it. It's making me crazy. Anywho, you might also be asking about this necklace and earring set. This is from Temu. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys as well. My top is also from Temu, and I'm going to link it in the description box just in case you want to pick it up. Beautiful frill off the shoulder top. It fits so comfortable, and I'm going to leave the link for you guys because I know people are going to be asking, where did you get your top? What are you wearing? I get that a lot. Anyhow, so we are going to be talking about some things that I have been using for the summer that makes such a difference to my skin. Let's talk about my hair first. Now that I've got short hair, I'm taking good care of my hair. And this is from Cream of Nature. And I think I showed you guys this before. This is the Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine. A little bit of this goes on my hair every single morning before I leave for work. If I'm working from home, it's going to be the same deal. And this is from Do Grow, and this is the Hair Polish Shine Mist as well. A little bit of this mist goes into my hair, and you can see it's almost finished. I really like it. And you don't need a lot, just a little spritz all over the hair, and that's fine. And then this is the anti-humidity as well. And just a little spritz all over my hair, and this works really well, and it keeps my hair nice and shiny practically all day. And this is from Percy and Reed, and this is a frizz fixer, and just a little bit of this. I don't usually have flyaways anyways, but just a little bit of this on my hair, and that's it. I'm just keeping it simple because I don't put a lot of product in my hair to weigh it down. I just like to keep it light, and that's it. Now, let's talk about some things that I have been using this summer. Let's talk about Salt and Stone. You guys would have seen this on Instagram. I've already been using this, but it's in the package so you guys can see. I picked this up from Sephora, and I love this. And I'm going to tell you something. Let's just trust that. If you guys are not using this body wash, I will never speak to you again. Never. This has a beautiful, masculine, woody type of scent. And I think it's black rose, and I'm not quite sure what oud, O-U-D mean, but it almost like it has a bergamot in it, but you can smell that woodsy type of a scent. It is so beautiful. I cannot talk about layers of scents and all of that stuff. I'm just talking about what it feels like. But this, again, black rose and OUD, whatever that means, Salt and Stone body wash, it smells divine. When you are in the shower, guys, and you shower yourself with this, you just want to lay in this practically all day. It is so beautiful, from Sephora. I am going to be picking up the body lotion as well because I have a feeling when you layer this, it's going to be amazing. Pick this up from Sephora. Tag me on Instagram and let me know what you think of this. You will not regret it. You will definitely be thanking me later. Okay? So next, I do have this product here from La Roche-Posay. This is the Face and Body Cleanser But I use this on my face a lot because this is so gentle. There is just no scent to this, no alcohol, no dyes, no parabens, nothing to harm your skin. This is one of those skincare companies that makes their products that geared to your skincare problems. They do understand the technology of your skin and how to manage your oiliness, your breakout, your problematic skin, your crow's feet. I mean, this is an amazing line, and the cleanser is very, very gentle. And again, I just use this basically on my body. Next, I do have this product here from Versanti, and I think I talked about this before. This is the Rose Water Pomegranate Toning Refreshing Spray. I adore this so much, and I think I've talked about this before. I mean, look at the packaging. It's really, really cute. And all you need is just a little spritz. Like if you're outside and you feel a little bit hot, let's say you're sitting on a patio or something and you're getting a little overheated, spray a little bit of this on your face and your skin will be instantly refreshed. Absolutely love this. This is from Versanti, and of course everything we talk about will be down in the description box for you. This is from Jameson. This is the brightening serum. I've used this every single day for the summer, and you would have seen a little video on about this on my Instagram as well. And all you need is just a little bit of this on your hands, and it's a very, very, very light serum. Really light, and it just dissolves nicely into your skin. It's non-greasy, and of course Jameson is a Canadian vitamin brand, and now they're kind of branching off into skincare because it's one of those it's one of those vitamin companies that I do trust, to be honest. And I do like this serum, and I've used this morning and night. And again, it's a very, very light serum, and it has vitamin C, which helps to brighten up the skin. Love this. And of course, I have been using my my Bright Reveal as well from L'Oreal Paris. I talked about this before, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And to be honest with you, I think I like this one more than this one. This is just a bit heavier in thickness, but it still does work. So I tend to alternate my serums as well, but I do like this one as well. And let me talk about this serum. Oh my God. And it's free. Oh my God, this serum is beautiful. I got this from Sephora, and look at it. I'm not quite sure if I've done a video on this already on my on Instagram, but this is a beautiful serum. Let me open the bottle and look at that. And you can see, you may not be able to see this, but you know, you can see those little beautiful kind of like yellowy things on the inside, and you just need a little drop. So I just use 2 drops of this on my face, and I massage this into my skin, and it is so lovely. It does not have any scent to it, and you would have just seen a picture of this on Instagram, but this is the packaging right here. You must try this. This is from Sephora, and it's called the Innisfree brand, and there it is. Lovely. And I did tag them on Instagram as well, so this is really, really nice. And these are the 3 serums that I think I'm going to be sticking to because I find that they work really, really well for me. Let's see, what do we got next? This is from Uriage. This is my first time using this particular product. I have another product from this brand that I'm actually using. You would have seen this on Instagram. This is the Refreshing Makeup Removing Jelly, and it removes every single drop of makeup, even around the eyes. A little bit of this on a cotton pad, because I know sometimes when you wash your face you still have a little bit of residue from your eyeliners, or sometimes a little bit of glue is still stuck just around the eyes. This loosens it up, and it's easy to remove, and it removes every single drop of makeup. It's in a gel form, and again, this is from Uriage. I picked up the small one because I wanted to see how this was going to work first before I invest in the full size. So next I have this product here from the Body Shop. This is a vitamin C glow revealing liquid peel or liquid concentrate. They've changed the packaging, The original packaging did not have any vitamin C. This one have vitamin C. And the minute you put this on your skin is going to start to gently peel and remove all of the dead skin cells. It's going to go down into those pores and remove every single debris that's stuck. So what I usually do is I'm going to leave this on my face for like 2 or 3 seconds just to help to remove any excess dirt from my skin, and then I'm going to rinse it off. This is one of those products I cannot live without. And my Nukes Firm and Body, oh my god, love this so much. This is a beautiful firming body cream, and oh my god, it smells beautiful. It just really helps to keep your skin beautiful and soft and supple and all of that. And I guess over time it's going to help to just firm and tighten up your skin. But this is one of those products that I do love. I've been using this all summer. Next, I do have from Youth to the People. That's the brand. This is Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. When you wash your face with this cleanser, it's almost like you're putting a bottle of freshness all over your face. You know that feeling that you get when you juice, let's say, a green apple and spinach, some cucumbers, celery, and lemon with a little bit of ginger, that freshness? That's exactly how this feels on your face. Because when you have a glass of green juice, your body feels so refreshed. Try to imagine how this is going to feel on your face. It is just the most beautiful cleanser ever. And of course, I do have the small size, and you need just 2 tiny drops on your brush. And this is going to lather up a lot. And this is going to last me, I would say, until probably December, because you just need a little bit of this. It all depends on how much you use. This. I mean, even if I use this twice a day, this is going to last me for at least 3 months. Okay, and this is a moisturizer, again, from Youth to the People. This is a superfood whip moisture cream, and again, really, really, really nice. This is just beautiful. You might not be able to see it, but I have been using this. And I think I also have a sample of the mask. So when you wash your face with the cleanser, you put the moisturizer on, and then you go in with the leave-on mask overnight. You wake up with fresh, beautiful skin. What more can you ask for? Okay. I have been using my Guar Stone all summer, twice a day, every single day. This is from Sephora, and I think I've mentioned this before. And it's a great way to help to release toxin from your lymph nodes. And there's a reason why this is shaped like this. And so it fits nicely around this vein. And I always tend to detox. I do 20 times on both sides. And then when I'm doing my facial, I put a little bit of coconut oil just on my forehead, and I use the back side, and I just rub this back and forth for at least 20 times. And that's going to help me to sort of lift the eyes a little bit. And of course, I'm going to pull like this to the side as well, up 20 times on both sides. And it's also going to help to detox and lift. And of course, I like to do my detoxing as well, just before my shower, or when I'm out from my shower, when I have my moisturizer on. You just basically bring everything to the heart. It is wonderful. You can use this however you want. It's an amazing product to have. So next, I do have this amazing aloe vera foot peel. Love this. This is a packaging right here. In the packaging, it has 2 little booties for your feet, and it has 2 packages of solution. Okay, so what you would do is you're gonna open this up, because it has like a little cottony thing on the inside, just like so. Okay, you probably can see that. So you're gonna pull this apart, and then you're going to, there's a little arrow right there. You're going to open up the solution. You're going to pour this in, and then you're going to put your feet into this little booty, and you can tie it around. And you can keep this on your feet for at least an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, as long as you want. And this is going to help to exfoliate, remove all the dead skin cell. It's going to remove all of the gunk from within the toenails, just around the feet and the heels. And when you go in with your foot scrubs and, let's say your foot brushes or whatever you want to call it, your feet will thank you. Some people do use the regular little bucket thingy where it bubbles, and you can soak your feet as well. But I have enjoyed using this product. I like the little booties. It is so cute. And of course it comes with, again, 2 packages like that. You can get this from your beauty supply store. Really, really love that product. So earlier I mentioned the vitamin C serum from Jameson. This is the Jameson Omega-3. I love these. I take these every single day, twice in the morning, and I take 2 after lunch. This helps to support the brain, immune, and bone health. I'm not going to take any more because I've already have my maximum for the day, which is practically 4. And this is the packaging right here. It's orange flavor, and I really like that. So I do have 2 perfume samples that I have been wearing all summer. This one is from Jean Paul Gaultier, and this is the original packaging right here. Listen, perfumes are not cheap. I don't know how you guys, some of you collect perfumes. Perfumes are really, really expensive. This one smells beautiful. Oh my God, it's a little bit strong, more of a masculine scent, but it smells really nice. And I think depending on how much it is, I'm going to probably invest in the full size. But listen, perfumes are not cheap, okay? I don't know how some of you all are perfume collectors, because listen, they are not cheap at all. And this one here is from Good Girl. Okay, I do like this one as well. And I've been wearing both of them all summer. Oh my God. And this is like a softer, more of a girly kind of scent. And of course, this is the packaging right here. But we shall see, because listen, I think as you can see behind me, I do have quite a bit of perfumes already. And I feel like I don't want to spend $125, $200 on perfumes. I'm just going to really make these samples last for a very long time. And the last thing we're going to talk about are these lipsticks that I got from the dollar store. I'm wearing the one in the middle, and I don't know what the name of this one is, but I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. This is from Sona. This is a packaging right here. And these are the 5 beautiful lipsticks from the dollar store, and I'm wearing one of them today on my lips. They're very, very, very nice, and they are matte lipsticks. Okay, you can get these from Dollarama, and I'm really surprised at the performance of these lipsticks. It's non-drying. It doesn't crack on your lips or anything like that. And this is a beautiful packaging here. And again, this is from the dollar store. And I think that's all we need to talk about today. But I picked up these glasses from Temu. And this gives you sort of a cat eye kind of feeling, but I don't really like these glasses at all. So this is what it looks like on, okay? I don't think I really like it because I don't like the shape of the glasses. And I think because I have short hair, it doesn't suit my face. I mean, I can be like a boss girl and wear it just on the nose, or I can just bring it right up and just wear it like that, but it's not my thing. So I won't be wearing this. I may put it in a giveaway or whatever the case may be, but this is not my favorite thing to wear from Temu. I mean, sometimes, you know, things look good on the website, but it doesn't really look good on you. It looks really nice when you hold it in your hands, but then when I put it on my face, it's a no, okay? Anywho, so these are all the things I have been using for the summer. I am going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you enjoyed today's video. And I'm hoping it's not going to be too long for you guys. And please watch to the end. And I thank you guys so much for coming in today. I'm going to leave the link to the necklace and the earring in the description box. My top is from Temu. It's a beautiful elastic off the shoulder top. Really, really, really nice. I'm going to leave the link for this as well in the description box just in case you want to pick it up. Okay? Thank you so much for coming in today. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.